Hi friends and family, it's Wendy Moore and I'm here with my September unboxing of Young Living product orders. Now I always do a couple of orders a month. This month I've got, let's see, it looks like 3 orders here, and so I'm going to go through them rather quickly, but I'll try to give you as much information about why we use these products in our home and how they might benefit you during our time together. So to get started right away, I am going to share with you our Ningxia Red. This is a berry flavored juice using the Ningxia wolf berries from the Ningxia region of China, where there are more octogenarians than anywhere else. So that tells us that their diet is rich with these berries and they're beneficial for us. They are great as far as fighting antioxidants or as far as fighting free radicals. So it's an antioxidant. It's going to support at the cellular level all the cells in your body, and it's going to help support healthy vision. Now I always buy it with the 4-pack of bottles here, and so there's 4 bottles in there, plus you get a box with 30 2-ounce packets. So these are the individual packets. You can just shake and serve, or you can use them in spritzers. I love to add them to club soda with 1 drop of lime essential oil and 1/2 of a packet. And it's just the perfect pick-me-up and spritzer that is delicious and refreshing, but it's also good for me. Now, I order it this way because it's a part of our loyalty rewards program that is only available if you are getting a monthly order from Young Living, but it saves $30 off of the purchase of buying these individually. So I always buy the package this way, and it usually lasts my husband and myself a little bit longer, but when the grandkids are here, we go through it rather quickly because they think it's the best thing on the planet. So that's our Ningxia Red. This is one of the orders that I got this month. And then along with this, I mentioned that Young Living monthly order, you get free products when you order through a monthly commitment. As long as your order has 50 PV or more, you're going to get points that act like spendable cash that you can redeem later. And the free gifts that I received with this order were our Ningxia greens, and this is a blend of all the best fruits, the best vegetables that we can find, so that we are able to supplement our diets where they may be lacking, or for those that don't like to eat vegetables. It's a great way to get them into the kids because you can put this in a smoothie. It's a powder and it's such a small amount, but it has a really powerful effect and gets us those necessary vitamins and nutrients that we need from our plant-based sources. So the Ningxia greens was free. I also got a Thieves chest rub for free. I love the way, well, this one's not open. I'm not, well, now I am opening it. I love the applicator on that. You don't have to touch it. The product comes out right here, and you can just rub it along the areas to help with your breathing passages and just take away some of the pressure that happens this time of year when we all start fighting the seasonal effects, right? Then we also had some oils that came this month for free. First one is our Raven. Again, Raven is fantastic for seasonal support, and I love the combination of that with many of our eucalyptus oils. Also, we got nutmeg. So nutmeg, this is our Vitality, comes in a white label. That means at a glance, you know that this product has been approved for taking internally. So we can use this in our cooking, we can use it in smoothies, and we can enjoy the benefits of this oil that is jam-packed with antioxidant benefits too. And the oils in the white label, as I said, are we can use them for cooking too. I love this in my cream spinach, just 1 or 2 drops, and it just kicks that flavor up a notch. And then we also got our Thieves essential oil. This is one of my favorite year-round supports. Many people think it's just a seasonal support oil, but I feel that this is what helps to support my immune system all year long. I add 3 drops of the Vitality every single day to my protein shake, And I also use other Thieves products, which I've got some more to show you from that line. But Thieves is a blend of 5 different oils, and this blend was developed by our founder, Gary Young. There's a whole story on that. You can do a Google search for History of Thieves Essential Oil, and I think you will enjoy the information that you get there rather than taking time going through it today. We also had another gift. I don't want to break this as I'm bringing it out of the packaging. And this is a glass with a glass straw and also a brush to clean our straw. And this was a free gift for using when we prepare our Ningxia Greens drinks. A lot of people just drink this straight out of the container with water or other juices and love it. I tend to use it when I travel so that I can continue to get my greens every day without fail. We just did a 16-day trip, and this was part of my daily routine every single day. So cute little, these have gotten very popular with the little wood tops, the bamboo tops, and dishwasher safe. So that was one of my orders and the gifts. Let me move that out of the way, and let's bring this one over here, make room. I also have what's called a professional account with Young Living, and that means that I can retail products to others and get a little bit more of a discount off of those products. My normal discount is 24% on every product that I purchase from Young Living. So I can get just a little bit more by having a professional account, a little bit more of a discount. So this is our Shutron 3-in-1. This is face, hair, and body wash for men. It's got one of the best smells on the planet to me. And so I love that when my husband uses that. And he said that his hair is the best condition it's ever been in using this product. And he loves the product overall for his face and his body wash as well. And then we've got our Master Formula. Master Formula is our multi-spectrum vitamin. It's an individual packet. I opened one here. Let me show you. So this is what our packet looks like. It has 3 powder capsules and 1 gel capsule with liquid. That liquid capsule, oh, I don't know if you could see that. Our liquid capsule is our essential oils. So this is going to give you a much greater effect sooner because of the absorption of the essential oils, and it just gets it setting to work faster, and you have less of it going through your body, and it's staying there to do the job that's meant to do. So this is our multi-spectrum multivitamin, and I love the convenience. I took, as I said, we were gone for 16 days, so I took 32 of those so that we could have those every morning, and the convenience was just one individual packet with what we needed. So that was this order. Not quite as exciting as some of my other orders, but it is the daily that we need to maintain our overall wellness. Now, if you've listened to any of my other videos, you know I'm absolutely passionate about eliminating toxins and harmful chemicals in the home, because I feel that it is the root of many of our illnesses and things that are plaguing our nation today, because we are breathing that in. It's getting stored in our bodies. Our bodies have no way to release that, and then it causes what my mom passed away from, body burden. And so I am passionate about helping families to discover what is available to them that is a plant-based, that is not going to create a toxic environment in their home. So we have a brand new kit from Young Living. It's called the Healthy Happy Home Bundle. And this bundle contains, 4 products plus a, well, we'll just start here. A spray bottle. I couldn't think of what to say. This is for our Thieves household cleaner. It's an empty amber spray bottle because we want to use glass when we are using essential oils, because they can wear down plastics if they are not PET, P-E-T, or if they're not BPA free. So we always try to use glass so that we are not creating additional toxic environments when we are putting it in plastic. Then I mentioned our Thieves cleaner because this is our concentrated household cleaner. I use this for every single surface in my home. It starts at the ceilings and it goes to the floor and everything in between. My carpet machine uses this, my floor machine, I use the thieves in it. I use it for cleaning my toilets. I use it for my mirrors, and I get streak-free finishes on floors and mirrors and glass. I love it. 1 capful in this bottle with 15 ounces of water, distilled or purified water, and you have a bottle of all-purpose cleaner. It will make 29 bottles out of this bottle, 29 of these 16-ounce bottles. I like to keep one in every single bathroom or under every single sink in my home so that it's handy and easy to grab. And I always find myself reaching for thieves because there's always a spill when you've got 4 grandkids in the house. Next up is our Thieves Kitchen and Bath Scrub. This is what you would probably buy at the store in that green container, and you would use it for maybe your kitchen sinks, your toilets. It has been invaluable in our house because we have hard water, we have a well, and we get deposits and mineral deposits, and we get, I'm trying to think of the word and I can't think of it, but we get the rings around the toilet. And this has actually helped to eliminate that. And it doesn't take a lot of scrubbing power to do it, and it's not chemical based, so you're not going to cough when you use this product. It's not going to affect your lungs negatively the way so many of the other cleaners do. Love this product. Little goes a long way. We also get those hard water areas around our faucets, and my husband has used this to clean that, and just recently he used it to clean inside our dishwasher where we had a lot of buildup, and we've been using it and it hasn't come back, so that's really a nice treat. Also is our Thieves dish soap. Again, another concentrated product. While this is 1 bottle and you could use it exactly like this, I extend mine and I get 4 bottles out of this 1 bottle because of how concentrated it is. It's one of the best grease cutters I've ever encountered, and I love using this when I had chili the other night. It got a little burned on at the bottom, so I just gave a little squeeze of my diluted Thieves, filled the pan with water, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and when I came back, it had all started lifting, and I just had to rinse it out. I didn't have to scrub and scrub and scrub. So this is a phenomenal product as well. And then I did not talk about our laundry soap. Thieves laundry soap, this is a 32-ounce bottle. And I take this 1 bottle and I dilute it into 4 16-ounce bottles. It's because, again, the high concentration, and Young Living doesn't charge us to ship the water. I've got plenty of it coming out of my faucets, so I can dilute these using bottles I found on Amazon. They're 16-ounce pumper bottles, and I use 2 to 3 pumps per load of laundry. My total yield on this is 516 loads of laundry with this 1 container. It's magic. The other things that I got in with this kit is a bottle of lemon essential oil. Lemon is a wonderful degreaser, so you'll find yourself using this like to remove sticky tags that come on glassware or price tag stickers, that type of thing. But I also found that the Thieves household cleaner works very well to remove on the whiteboards. Those were always kind of a thing, just a nasty chore to have to try and get rid of it. But even permanent marker is removed with Thieves household cleaner for me. The other is our Thieves essential oil. And I mentioned that I use the Thieves in my shake every morning. I want you to understand, I talked about Vitality oil earlier, and that is the one in the white label. So this is a Vitality label. This is our colored label. Absolutely no difference in the content of the bottle. The oils are the same, but the FDA says that if we are going to promote a product, it cannot be used for both internal and topical application purposes or diffusing. So Young Living went through the expense of developing a white label so that you can see which at a glance are safe to be ingested or taken internally. These Colored labels are intended for diffusing or for topical application. Okay, so this one was a freebie oil, and this is orange, and that was the freebie for the month. This entire box is retail or is wholesale at $112 for all of these cleaning products that are going to last a really long time because of their concentration. And they are all plant-based and not harmful for the environment, for our families, or our pets. So $112 retail. If you have not purchased Young Living products and you want to try some of the household cleaners, I suggest the Happy Healthy Home Bundle, or Healthy Happy Home Bundle. And at $112, you use my code SHAREYL and you'll get an additional 10% off. So $110 for a box that will last you for probably a good 6 to 8 months if you use it even half as much as I do. So those are my products for the month. I'm just checking to make sure I haven't forgotten anything. And I thank you for joining me today. And I hope you'll join me again in October when I've got, I know already I just received it, but I have to wait till October till I get the rest of my products. I've got one more box coming in, but I just got all of it from our whimsical holiday catalog, and I cannot wait to delve into that box. So I'll see you all in the next month, and take care.